Grammar, interaction, and communicative language teaching classroom student-teacher perception. The aim of this study was to find out the teacher and student perception toward grammar intersection in communicative language teaching classroom. The participants of this study were two teachers and four students from an Islamic junior high school. We used a case study method to conduct this research to identify teacher and student perception in teaching and learning grammar intersection in communicative language teaching classroom. Introduction. Grammar is the language framework and system of meaning. Even language seems to have a grammar, and persons speaking in similar language will communicate because they naturally understand the grammar structure with which is the rules of meaning. According at Boston, language without grammar is going to be messy, and it is harder to understand language without looking for this basic fire framework. So grammar language will be impossible to learn effectively without following structural rules. They found that grammar plays a very important role in the study of language. The purpose of grammar is to educate those who use English to express their thought properly both in speaking and writing. Research by Azad 2013 indicates that grammar is an essential and inseparable part in language teaching. So teachers have tended to use communicative activities in teaching grammar intersection. In the importance of teaching English grammar as a foreign language, various methods and approaches have been applied to enhance learner competence. Using CLT to teach grammar in the second language classroom is an effort to improve student attitude toward language learning and to have positive effect on their learning process. Emphasis placed on grammatical mistake and fear of making grammar error has a negative impact on students. The changing of teacher culture from teacher-centered to student-centered caused by the CLT approach also brought a change to concept in how to teach. The adoption of CLT in Indonesian language teaching curriculum has gone through several changes and development. Rahman 2017 stated that the latest curriculum in Indonesian, which usually called as Curriculum 2013 or K13, adopts CLT approach into its implementation. Not only that the popularity of CLT keeps increasing as many teachers apply the concept of CLT in their classroom. The concept of communicative language teaching. Communicative language teaching (CLT) is one of approach to language teaching. This approach was born from awareness the language as a system for communication, not just a set of the rules. Role of student, teacher, and grammar intersection in CLT. Communicative language teaching emphasizes on self-direction for students. Teachers no longer rely on activities that involve repetition, accuracy, and the memorization of sentences. They request students to communicate in context and communicate meaningfully in foreign language. As Oxford proposes that this is important for active development of a new language. Communicative activities play an important role in teaching communicative language, as Richard 2013 state in communicative competence, there are several approaches that help students involve learning and communication. Fortner Littlewood difference type two main categories in communicative activities. There are functional communicative activities and social intersection activities. Approach to teaching grammar have undergone many changes. These changes have characterized grammar teaching to move from a grammar-based approach to a communicative approach. Methodology: research design, participant, and locate of the study. This is use interactive case study method as the way to collect the data. Creswell 2013 state case study is qualitative approach that involves the study about issue explored through one or more cases over time to detail, in-depth, and collection involving multiple sources of information. Data collection and analyzing in this research in order to find out the teacher and student perception and grammar intersection in communicative language teaching. We use interview in order to gain information about teacher and student perception toward grammar intersection in communicative language teaching classroom. To analyzing the data of teacher and student perception toward grammar to determine information about teacher and student perception toward grammar intersection in communicative language teaching classroom. After we collected the data, we analyzing the data by using thematic analysis. In this research, we use toward illness, the evaluate qualitative data analyzing evaluate authenticity or credibility of the result through some techniques such as member checking or triangulation. The importance of grammar based on the data obtained from the interview, we got some teacher perception about grammar intersection in communicative language teaching. We found that most of the teachers agreed that the grammar was a crucial component in improving student skill in CLT classroom. Classroom activities based on the data obtained from interview, it was found some perception toward grammar intersection in communicative language teaching. We found that most of the teachers agreed that in learning process group work or pair work was designed to promote communication in the classroom. Quality and quality of error collection. Based on the data obtained from interview, we found that most of teachers agree that error correction was one of process to create students in mastering material. However, the teacher also did not feel angry with students made it grammatical error. The role of teacher in classroom. The data obtained from interview showed that in teaching grammar intersection and communicative language teaching, teacher act a motivator in the teaching learning process. Discussion. After analyzing the data by using a thematic analysis, it was found that there was several information about teacher and student perception toward grammar intersection in communicative language teaching classroom. To consider of A. Importance of grammar, B. Classroom activities, C. Quality and quantity of error collection, D. The role of teacher in classroom, E. The role and contribution of students in the learning process. Therefore, the explanation of the factor was described as following in order to know further much information about them. The first was the importance of grammar. Most the teacher and student perceived the grammar was important in learning English language. Conclusion. Based on the data analyzing by using thematic analyzing, it was it was found teacher and student perception toward grammar intersection in communicative language teaching. The fourth, teacher perception in teaching grammar intersection in communicative language teaching classroom. 1. The teacher thinks that providing students with explanation was an effective way to teach grammar intersection in CLT classroom. 2. In learning process, teacher using group and peer work was designed to promote communication in CLT classroom. 3. Teacher claimed that in learning process, error correction was one of process student to materials. So correcting mistake was an obligation for teacher. For teacher perceived they should act as motivator in the teaching learning process and training students to take responsibility in develop their activities. 5. In teaching grammar intersection in CLT classroom, students should not only mastering the theory but also participate in the theory. This research only focused to find out the teacher and student perception in grammar intersection in communication language teaching because the limitation of time. By now the teacher and student perception in teaching and learning grammar intersection in communicative language teaching because in limitation of time. We expect the student consider grammar as an important part in learning English language. So this study can inspire students to increase their interest in learning grammar in CLT classroom. Also, the teacher should act as motivator in the teaching learning process to increase student opportunities to practice English because in learning English language is not only mastering grammar but also to increase student opportunity to practice English language. Last, we hope that the present study can be useful for the next future research who are interested to extract for more information about teacher and student perception in grammar intersection in communicative language teaching.